Hello everyone. Today we will study about physical and chemical changes. Changes of various kinds are taking place around us every moment. But when does this change take place? A change in the property of a substance takes place whenever energy is added or supplied to matter. When this occurs, that matter is said to have undergone a change. Almost all the changes that take place in matter may be classified into two categories: physical and chemical changes. Every substance possesses certain characteristic feature by which it can be identified, and these characteristic features are known as properties. A substance is characterized by its physical and chemical properties. What are physical properties? Physical properties are the properties associated with physical changes and which can be determined by simple physical observation are known as physical properties, like melting, boiling, density, color, odor. All these are physical properties. Whereas chemical properties are the properties associated with chemical changes and which can be determined by chemical reaction are known as chemical properties. Okay, so let's start with physical change. A physical change is one that changes the shape, size, physical state and appearance of a substance, but not its chemical composition. For example, when ice is heated, it changes into water, and the water is further heated, then it changes into steam. But there is no change in the chemical composition of the substance, because ice, water and steam are the same chemical substance, that is dihydrogen oxide. This is chemical name of water, dihydrogen oxide, which is composed of what? Two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Same way, iron can be drawn into nails in different shapes, but the composition of iron is not changed by doing so. Candle wax, when heated, changes into molten wax. There is no change in the properties of the substance. Okay. And now we will discuss characteristic feature of physical and chemical change with the help of certain example. Example number 1, dissolution of sugar in water, and number 2, burning of paper. Okay, and then we will compare what changes are taking place. So let's start with dissolution of sugar in water. Dissolve known amount of sugar, say 5 gram of sugar in 100 gram of water. What we will notice? Sugar will completely dissolve, it will disappear to form a homogeneous mixture known as sugar solution, which is sweet in taste. No new substance is formed. Now heat the beaker containing sugar solution till all the water evaporates and sugar is left behind. Weight it again. What we will notice? It will still weigh 5 gram only. It means no change in mass. Okay, and another very important point, on crystallization of sugar solution, the sugar is recovered back in the original crystalline form. It means this change is temporary. Clear? And it is not followed by any energy change. So these are the main characteristic of. And now second example, burning of paper. Burn a small piece of paper and observe. First point, we will see that new products are formed, that is carbon dioxide and water. Then the substance produced on burning do not combine to give back paper. It means carbon dioxide, water, ash, what is formed, they will not again combine back to give paper. It means this reaction is permanent, this change is permanent, and there is change in mass on burning. But one thing you should remember, total mass will remain same, total mass of the reactant and product will remain same according to law of conservation of mass. But here mass of a substance will change, okay, and energy is given out in the form of heat or light. So these are the characteristic of chemical changes. Okay, one more example like rusting of iron also we can take. Okay, iron rust when exposed to moist air, and a new reddish brown compound that is known as rust. What is rust? It is hydrated ferric oxide. Okay, it will be produced on the surface of the nail. So what we will see, the mass of the substance increase, okay, because iron converted into hydrated ferric oxide, which is new substance. So new substance is formed, and this change can't be reversed, and energy is given out during this change. Okay, very little amount, but it is given out. Okay, so these are certain example showing physical as well as chemical changes. Okay, that's it.